In this video, I'm comparing eToro versus Kraken, two of the biggest crypto trading platforms but with totally different approaches. One focuses on social trading and accessibility, while the other is known for its advanced tools and serious trading depth. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one fits your style, whether you are just getting into crypto or you are trading full time. Now, I actually have accounts with both of these, and I'll explain which one I prefer and why. So first, what exactly are they and who are they for? eToro is a multi-asset trading platform that combines crypto with stocks, ETFs and even commodities. What makes it stand out is its social trading feature. You can follow and automatically copy the trades of experienced investors. It's built for beginners and casual traders who want an easy way to invest and learn from others without managing every move themselves. Kraken, on the other hand, is a crypto exchange built for beginners and professionals. It focuses entirely on cryptocurrency trading, offering advanced order types, spot and futures markets, staking and margin trading. It's ideal for traders who want full control, low fees and deep liquidity across a wide range of crypto assets. So in terms of their features and workflow, when you use eToro, the experience feels more like a social network mixed with investing. You can see other traders' profiles, their portfolios, performance stats and even chat about market trends. The copy trader feature is its highlight, so it lets you mirror someone's trades automatically. eToro also supports traditional assets, which means you can hold crypto alongside stocks and ETFs in one account, but it's important to know that in many regions you don't directly own the crypto. You are trading contracts unless you use the eToro money wallet to withdraw it. With Kraken, everything feels more like a professional exchange, at least if you're using Kraken Pro, which is one of Kraken's platforms. This right here is the normal Kraken platform, but they have a professional exchange as well, where you get access to real crypto spot trading, meaning you actually buy and own the assets in your account. The interface is clean but loaded with data, so you get price charts, order books, leverage options and more. And that is the Pro plan. And for beginners it's easier to use, and you can see they also have X stocks, which is new, which is basically a crypto that tracks a stock. For example, here you have Nvidia, and this should always follow the Nvidia stock price exactly, meaning you can sort of invest in stocks through Kraken. Now, for their shared features, both let you buy, sell and trade major cryptocurrencies. Both offer mobile apps, web platforms and staking options to earn rewards on held assets, and both are regulated, secure and have strong reputations. Though eToro is more regulated as a brokerage and Kraken more as an exchange. Now, eToro's uniqueness is really its social trading ecosystem, where you can browse top performing investors, copy them automatically or let people copy you and earn from it. It's very community driven and ideal for beginners who prefer to learn by example. Now, Kraken's edge is professional grade trading. It supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, and it offers futures, margin and staking, and has some of the tightest spreads and lowest fees in the industry. Kraken is also one of the few major exchanges that has never been hacked, a big plus for security-minded traders. Then for their fees and pricing, here there is a pretty big difference. So eToro uses a spread-based pricing model, meaning the fees are built into the buy and sell prices. The spreads vary by coin but are generally higher, usually around 1% or more per trade. There are also small withdrawal fees and inactivity fees if you're not trading for a while. Kraken, on the other hand, has a transparent maker-taker fee structure. On the Pro platform, fees start around 0.16 maker and 0.26 taker, and go down the more you trade. Regular Kraken is slightly higher but still cheaper than eToro for frequent traders. So overall, which one should you choose? Now, whichever one you would like to get started with, you can do so for free through the links that I'll leave down in the description. First, I would choose eToro if you are new to investing, want a simple interface and like the idea of following or copying experienced traders. It's great for learning and building confidence, especially if you want to trade both crypto and traditional assets in one place. I would choose Kraken if you are a more serious trader or if you value full ownership and control of your crypto. So it's better for managing risk, minimizing fees and trading with professional tools and liquidity. So if I was only interested in crypto, then personally I would go with Kraken. If I want crypto and ETFs and stocks, then I would go with eToro. And if you want to copy other traders, I would also pick eToro. So that concludes this comparison of eToro versus Kraken. If this comparison helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.